welcome back. Yeah, you should just hide behind He-Man. We'll both do it. Hi! Every holiday season, Santa has the inside scoop, the list. He knows what all the little ones want under the tree come Christmas, right?
He does, but the rest of us mere mortals, yeah, we need a little help sometimes. Thankfully, Meijer also has an idea of what's hot this holiday season. We've got Adam Guerrero. He's a Plainfield store manager with us this morning. Obviously, you brought all the toys with you.
Yeah, absolutely. And at Meijer, we have the hottest toys and the top brands that are going to be on everyone's wish list. Our one-stop shop is fully stocked and ready for this holiday season. We brought in a lot of increased inventory this year, so it's a lot easier to find those toys for parents on their kids' wish list.
Oh, so the supply chain
I was gonna say, we're beating out the supply chain.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I love how you said one-stop shop, too, because, I mean, I can go to Meijer and get dinner for everybody, plus some Christmas decorations and some clothes. Oh, why not swing by the toys, too?
And then get the wrapping paper and all the other things.
You've got it all. So you've got a lot here. I'll let you just take over.
Yeah.
What's hot?
Sure, yeah, so absolutely. So when we take a look at some of the toys here for the season, we brought in a lot of those top toys that you can find within our toy guide. Anything from our Squishmallows, which are nice and soft and easy to squeeze for the kids, to our Nerf guns, to Legos, where this year Lego has brought out different sets for all ages, all generations, to be able to connect with one another, as well as some of those holiday staples around Nerf and Barbie and this awesome classic here, the Masters of the Universe He-Man set.
Castle Grayskull. It's still on. This is when I was a kid.
Thank you. I said I used to watch this when I was a child on television.
Oh, yeah.
Well, everything that's old is new again.
Yes,
And
indeed.
you said Legos for all ages?
Yeah, absolutely.
Does that mean I can put one on my list?
Oh, you can. We've got Lego sets for the young kids. We've got Lego sets for kind of those adolescent age. And now we have Legos for adults as well, whether it be fish tanks, flower sets, globes, all kinds of fun stuff there.
Absolutely. So how do adults know? I mean, some, parents, they'll get an idea and things like that, but like, hey, I'm buying for my nieces. Like, how do you know what's hot, what kids want?
Yeah, absolutely. So this week, 1.2 million households across our footprint are going to be getting our toy guide. And this is one of the favorite things to come out holiday season at my house. My beautiful wife and I, we've got 2 young boys. They love to get into this, circle those toys, right? Show mom and dad, here's what we're looking for. And then we send that to grandma, grandpa, aunts, and uncles, just to make it a little bit easier on them as well.
Absolutely.
I believe the last time we got one of those and I asked Daphne to circle, we almost ran out of ink.
I was gonna say,
She was
everything.
circling everything in that thing.
Yeah. And the cool thing is that, you can go in the store and you can look around, but you don't have to.
Yeah, absolutely. So on top of all of our in-store options, we also have Meijer Pickup and Meijer Home Delivery available for those customers who are unable to make it into our buildings.
Yeah.
And I'll kind of give you a testimonial on the Meijer Pickup. Been using that now for months and months, almost a year now. There is nothing more convenient than shopping online at Meijer.com, picking a time, and then just driving up, and they put it in your car for you. That's Christmas shopping right there.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can get all these toys done, and then I don't even have to get out of the car.
Right.
Yeah,
I love it.
And we encourage all of our customers to watch those weekly ads, to watch M-Perks within their Meijer app for holiday savings this whole season long.
Okay, yeah, because you can get some good savings there and rake up those bucks and those rewards. I'm using them every time.
Those Santa bucks, I tell you. So the place to be, Meijer.com. If people you obviously can't make it into the store, they can shop the same holiday deals online as they can in the store.
Correct,
right?
using the Meijer app and that Meijer Pickup service. We have those same deals that you can get in store, also online, and with that Meijer Pickup service.
Same prices. That's what I like.
There you go, and keep your eye out for that toy guide. For all of those
trust me, we will.
who need a little bit of extra help, like
we need
me.
a fresh pen.
There you go.